Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're still in Turkey, we're in Marmaris at the moment. I'm just going to take a little wander and I thought I'd bring you guys along. Don't forget to like, subscribe and everything else in between. So let's see one. You guys know the vibe. Morning. Yeah. So you got all the sort of shops along the high street. Very nice shops. Just gonna have a little wander today. Nice little accessories. Little kid jackets. More handbags, dog leads. Got New Balance, all your trainers, Adidas. So you got everything you need here. Yeah, we're just going to take a little wander. The weather is still roasting. Absolutely roasting. So we did go out last night, but we didn't film it. It was just sort of me and Kurt going out for a drink. We went to Geordie Bar, which was quite nice. It's actually in the square. You've got all the sort of football bars. We're not Newcastle supporters, but we like the bar anyway. I don't think it really matters. So yeah, we just had a couple of drinks there and then we went back and had an early night last night. I think we both needed a good night's sleep. So yeah, we did that and then had a nice lazy morning, had some breakfast. And we're just sort of venturing out now. Don't know what the weather is, but it's hot. But yeah, we found out some interesting stuff yesterday. So the one of the little sort of takeaway restaurants we go to quite often when we're here in the evening after sort of a night out, Tasty Bites, the gentleman was telling us that the bars now have to close at sort of 1. There's 2, no, not even 2, is it? It's like 1. 2 at a push. Yeah, so it's 1 o'clock then, because of the hotels, basically, with all the noise and everything. They've now been restricted, and the last time we were here, which wasn't that long ago, we have got content out from May when we was here previously, and it was sort of 5 o'clock, 4, 5, we'd all be out. So yeah, that's a really big change. That's a 3-hour drop, which is a little bit sad really, because it's quite nice when you come here, you know, it is the main sort of like little strip area of Marmaris, and I think if you get a hotel in that area, you're going to expect it to be busy, vibrant, music, noise, people. That's just what it is. There is quieter places you can stay. Hello, good morning. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think that's sort of the right decision? Do you like it to be super quiet when you come out? Do you want it? We're just doing a walk and then we'll come back. Yeah. Or do you think it should just be, you come on holiday, you book a hotel on the strip and understand it's going to be noisy? I believe it should be noisy. If you're going to book a hotel in the most busiest area of all the clubs and all the bars and restaurants, then you're going to expect there to be noise. If you want something quiet, then don't book there. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. And what's your thoughts? Have you been here since that new rules come in? Did you know that rule had come in? Has that sort of changed your opinion on Marmaris and coming out to Turkey?
What's only the football bars? Is it going to go over to Bar Street?
Yeah.
Bar Street's still open.
So yeah, so it's forcing everyone to go to Bar Street. So that is a good point. There is Bar Street, which we're going to tonight. So we'll video that. We have got a daytime video on it, but we haven't actually got a nighttime one. So Bar Street is still open till like 5, whatever time. You've got the clubs. A lot of the resorts and hotels will do free transfer for you to get there, depending on where you're staying, because it is a bit of a walk from where we're staying. So yeah, that is good, but those businesses, like I said, Tasty Bites, which I really recommend you going to, it just means they now don't get that overspill of business at the early hours of the morning. So it does have a knock-on effect. It's nice little perfumes there, jewellery. Again, all these sort of t-shirts, bikinis, all your sort of football tops. And then you've got like your sweaters and hoodies, that's quite good. 3 for 20, It's not bad, is it? For jumpers. Yeah, any hoodie 3 for 20. That's a really good price.
Del Boys.
Yeah, that's Del Boys there. It's quite a famous one here. Getting the windows ready for the day. Morning. And then you've got more like your resorts and your hotels along there. There's the price points. Hello. Andy's restaurant and bar, breakfast and lunch. Got your pharmacy up there, perfume. Don't know if this is a pick-up point here. Like I said, a lot of places do like transfers, and if you're doing excursions, they'll do pickups for you. Thank you. Got your cash points over there. Morning. Good, thank you. On the way back. Thank you. So yeah, got all your cash points, taxi rank across the way. But I'm really feeling like I need a drink. Don't think I've drank enough water. I need to get some more Sammy. Little buses. Buses look so cute. They're quite frequent as well, so that's good. I've heard all positive things about the buses and getting around. So if you're not a driver, there is easy ways of getting around the island. Or not the island, sorry, this part of Turkey. Good price points here, really good price points. Liquor store. If you want to bring back some nice whiskey or wine. Got the Asda Price Pound shop. Gift shop. And another bag one. Ooh, sweating. I got hairdressers. I think we've gone past this one before, but let's see what the prices are. They've changed from the last time. So they carry Aveda, Light Aveda, Kerastars, Olaplex, and they do the Brazilian blowout. There we go. So if you are here for a long time or you want to get your hair done, I'm guessing it's probably best to double check and book an appointment. Better to be safe than sorry. Got your Point Beach Hotel there. Yeah, one thing I did notice when I'm here is the shopping is a bit more of an experience. They'll give you sort of a hot tea, so Turkish tea. You have somewhere to sit. It's a little bit more of a experience than back home. I feel like at home I don't really shop anymore. I do a lot of online shopping. Bank, somewhere to rent motorbikes down there, Jeep, quad, bicycles. Speaking of bicycles, got the lovely man there doing his ride. So yeah, at home, like it's not really, I'm guessing if you went to like really high-end places, you do get that quality of service, but the average person, you know, you're going to your Primarks, you're going to your high streets, and most of the high streets aren't really anything they used to be. That's probably one of the reasons why they're on such a decline. So we're walking on the main road, but parallel. So straight ahead, you've got the beach, obviously that side as well. We have got a beach walk, promenade walk, so do look out for that from the last time we were here. And obviously we've got an updated one as well, just to show you if there's any like new bars, restaurants, just so you can keep yourselves up to date with everything Marmaris. Oh, those little gnomes there. Quite funny, aren't they? So you got your tattoos, loads of tattoo parlours. Hotel Celine, big hotel. So yeah, loads of clothes. Aloe, toys, years and toys. A little bit more of a fancier one there. Got hotels this side, little restaurants, bars, and then we're coming up for like an excursion. So we have talked about this before, you can get a Rhodes excursions, that's the Greek island. We have got videos on Rhodes as well, if that is something that you're interested in or you've been and you just want to see what's going on. We're literally there beginning of July, so really recent. If you do want to check out the Rhodes series, we did cover most of the island. Quite a lot of different videos, different sort of things from the nightlife, day stuff. We did a little bit of like the sort of ancient ruins, lots of driving around. So yeah, some really good content if you are interested in Rhodes, or if you've been to Marmaris and you thought actually nice little veg there, that'd be really nice to do if you're unsure of what to expect when you go into Rhodes. I definitely recommend doing a day trip there or just visiting the island. We had a really, really lovely time there. Met some really nice people, the weather's great, the food's great. Yeah, no complaints about Rhodes. Right, we're gonna finish off here. So we're coming sort of like the end of this little bit. Look at the views there though, absolutely stunning. Another gorgeous day in Marmaris. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really, really does help push the content. If you do want to check out any of our previous videos, just have a look, but don't forget to subscribe.